Welcome to the Edyst Daily Coding Challenge. This is a great way for you to form a habit of coding and also improve your problem solving skills. Every day, we will unlock one coding challenge for you to do. You can attempt this in either C, C++, Java or Python programming language. These challenges are very similar to the ones asked by companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Virtusa, EPAM and even Facebook and Google in their placement rounds. So you will have a lot of fun solving them and also make yourself more ready for placement rounds. Every day, we will also make available the solutions of the previous day's question. So you will be able to find out your mistakes and improve your skills. This is a competition. You will compete with your friends and peers from all over the country. Winners will get exciting prizes and also scholarships to upcoming Edyst courses. So invite your friends and start coding now. All the best.